Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an Instagram strategy with Later, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Later account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial on their website. Once you're logged in, select the Instagram account you want to create a strategy for. Navigate to the Content Calendar section. Here, you can visualize your upcoming posts. Start by brainstorming content ideas relevant to your audience. Consider using a mix of images, videos, and carousels. Next, create a post schedule that aligns with your audience's activity. Determine the best times to post based on your audience analytics. Now, move on to the media section. Upload your images and videos to Later. You can drag and drop your media files for easy organization. After uploading, select a post from your media library. Click on the post to open the editing options. Write a compelling caption that engages your audience. Make sure to include relevant hashtags to increase visibility. You can also tag other accounts if it's relevant to your content. Once your post is ready, drag it onto the content calendar. Choose your desired posting date and time. Later allows you to schedule posts for optimal engagement. After scheduling, review your calendar to ensure a balanced content mix. Consider including stories, reels, and IGTV for varied content. Use Later's analytics to review past post performances. Identify what types of content perform best with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Regularly revisit and revise your strategy every month. This ensures your content remains fresh and relevant. Finally, engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.